How to remove the background noise of a video and which softwares you can use to remove the background noise of a video. Hey everyone, I am Zubair Ahmed and in this video I am going to show you the top 2 tools which you can use to remove the background noise of your video. So first off, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification. So the first software you can use to remove the background noise is Audacity. So you can simply go to this Audacity website. I will put the link in the description and you can download it from here. So as I already downloaded it in my system, so I will install it and then I will open it and let's see how we can move the noise of our audio. So first you make sure you convert your video file to audio file or mp3 file so you can remove the noise of a audio file. So let's open a file. For example, here it is. There it is. Yeah, SCO2. So it has been loaded. As you can see, it has some noise. So I will just simply click here and then I will select it. You will select this area where there is no audio and there is only noise, and then you will click on effect and then you will go on noise reduction. So here you can choose your options. I will let it as it is. You can change these options to make sure you don't reduce them too much, that can affect your audio. So I will click on get noise profile and then I will select it whole, control A. The whole audio has been selected and then I will click on repeat noise reduction. Alright, now the noise has been removed. As you can see, I will play it again. So this way you can remove the background noise of your audio. And the second tool which you can use is Nvidia. Nvidia is a tool you can use to remove or block background noise of your videos. So if you are streaming online on a YouTube, then you can use this software. It will help you very much, and you can download it from here and then you will simply click on and it will start working for you and the noise will be reduced automatically. So that's it. I hope you enjoy this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. See you.